students. Now let us discuss how to find the square roots of decimal numbers. As till this topic you have learned how to find the square roots of fractions, square roots of whole numbers using long division and prime factorization method. Now this topic is related to the decimal numbers. Now the first question, sixth part, find the square root of 497.29. So there is one rule you have to keep it in mind if you are using it decimal number in the decimal form directly. The digits whichever is written after decimal, we will always be pairing that digit from left hand side. If you remember earlier when we were finding square roots using long division method, we were taking pairing of the digits from right hand side. This will be true in case of the digits which are written before decimal. That means in case of 497, I will be pairing 97 first and then 4 will remain as it is. But after decimal, the digits will be paired from left hand side. So this will how the pairing will be done. And then the way we used to do the long division, the concept will remain same. Let us start with this. Now here the digit is coming out to be 4. And now the perfect square which is equal to or less than 4, that is 2 2s are. So I will write 2 here. I will be writing 4 here. This number will be multiplied by 2. That means it will be coming 4 here. Now 97 will be taken altogether as far as we know the rule of finding square roots using long division method. Now according to the rule I need to find the digit here, that will be 2. Now since decimal is there but 97 is before decimal, I'll be putting 22 here. This will become 84. Okay, this is, now students, I will be taking 29 which is written after decimal. So here I will be putting one decimal and 29 will be written as it is. According to the rule, this number is multiplied by 2. This will become 4 here. 4 will be written as it is. Now 1329. I will be checking this number whether this number is multiplied 4. Let's try with 3 because number is ending up with 9 here. 9 2. Okay, so we get this 3 here. That means 1329. Here I will be writing 3 because I will be putting decimal here because 29 is there which is written after decimal. So that's why I've put decimal before 3, or we can say square root of 497.29 will be equal to 22.3. Now here in this case, the decimal number is a perfect square. There might be few examples in which the decimal may or may not be a perfect square. Let's try this. Question number 2, find the square root of 7. Correct up to 3 decimal places. Now I know 7 is not a perfect square. So what we'll do in these cases, first of all, I will use that symbol. Now because I need to find square root up till 3 decimal places, I will be putting decimal here and zeros. Now we have to keep it in mind that the zeros we are putting here, they should be in pairs. Okay, let's start with this because we'll be finding approximate number here. 7 is not a perfect square, so the square root will always come out to be approximate. So nearest perfect square which is close to 7, that is 2 2s are. I'll be writing 2 here. Okay, remainder is 3. This number is multiplied by 2. I'll be writing 4 here. I'll put dash here. Students, please keep it in mind. I've put decimal here. That means I need to put decimal in the quotient as well. Now here 2 zeros will be taken all together. When I checked, I found this number can be multiplied by 6. Okay, so this will come out to be 276. The remainder is 4 and this will be 2. Okay, this one pair and now the second pair is taken down. Okay, in order to find the divisor, if I have to multiply this with 2, it's a 2-digit number. So I will be writing 2 here plus 1 here. It will be 5 and I'll put dash here. When I try to multiply, I found this is 5, 2. Let's try with 4 here. It will be 6, 9, 0 and 2. Okay, so it will be with 4 here, 2, 0, 9, 6. Now we'll subtract. This will come out to be 4, 0. Here it will be 3. And again, third pair of zeros will be taken. I need to find the square root of 7 up till 3 decimal places. I will be finding up the answer up till 4 decimal places then, and we'll see if the digit can be rounded off. So we'll use that logic here as well. This number will be multiplied by 2. Okay, now here, if I tried, let's see this with 5. So 5, 2, 8, 5. If you multiply, what do you get? You will be getting here 5 and then 2, 4 and 26. Okay, so I will be writing 5 here. 2, 6, 4, 2, 5. Now till now, you have we've got answer up till 3 decimal places. But according to the rule, I will be finding answer up till 4th decimal place, and then we'll see if the digit is coming out to be greater than 5, then I will round it off. Otherwise, the digit will remain as it is. According to this, so let's find the remainder here. First of all, 7, 9, 3, and then zeros will be taken together. This digit will be multiplied by 2. I will get 10. So plus 1 here, it will be 9. 2 and 5 will be written as it is. Here I'll be putting dash and try to see with which number this number can be divided. 39 is there. So close to this number will be, let's try with 7 because 35 is there. So we can check that. 49, 3, 0, 3, 7. Okay. So I will write 7 here. It is 370349 and the remainder is coming out to be 27151. Okay, now see this number, it will be we will keep on dividing and dividing, but we need to see till how long we'll be finding the square root of this number. So square root of 7 is coming out to be 2.645. We will be writing approximate here. This is approximate result. This is not exact, since I need to find up till 3 decimal places. Last digit is 7. If I'll round it off, it will become plus 1 here. So it will be 2.645 plus 1 because I will be rounding off. This will be becoming 2.646 approximate. So this is how we'll be finding the square root of the numbers which are not perfect squares. Let us take few more examples here. Okay, this is question number 3, third part. Now I took the question mixed fraction here. Find the square root of 4 2 by 3, correct 2 3 decimal places. First of all, 4 2 by 3, it will be 12 plus 2 by 3, that is 14 by 3. That means I need to find the square root of 14 by 3. That means I will be finding square root of 14 separately and square root of 3 separately. Okay, if I will be finding square root of 14 and 3 separately, let's start with square root of 14 first, and then we will be finding square root of 3. Okay, square root of 14. I'll be writing 14 here. And then I'll be putting zeros. Again, the question is, I have to find the square root up till 3 decimal places. That means I will be dividing and getting the quotient up till 4 decimal places, and then we'll check if the number can be rounded, if the digit can be rounded off, we can do that and get the result. So 4 times means I will be writing zeros in 4 pairs. And again, we should not forget that after decimals, the digits are to be paired from the left hand side. Okay, the nearest perfect square, which is close to 14, will be 9 here. Okay, here it will be 500. This number is multiplied by 2. It will become 6, and then I will write 7 here. Let's try. Since decimal is there, so after 3, I will be putting decimal here, and then 7. This is 469. Find the difference here. This will become 1 and 3. And now second pair of zeros will be written. According to the rule, this number is multiplied by 2. That is 14 plus 1. So it will be 7 here. Okay, now I tried. I get 4 here. And when I multiplied, I get 2976. Now after subtracting, I get 1, 2, 4, and then third pair of zeros is taken, and this will be solved again. I will multiply this with 2, that is 8, 4, 7, and I put dash here. This number is multiplied by 1. Let's say 7, 4, 8, 1. Now the answer which I'll get here is 9. This is 1, and then 9 and 4. And then fourth pair of zeros will be taken together. This number is multiplied by 2. 7, 4, 8, 2, and I'll put dash here. Even let's see, 7, 4, 8, 2. Let's multiply by 6 here. And then what we'll get? 6, 5, and then 9, 8, and 4, 4. Okay, this will be multiplied by 6. 4, 4, 9, 5, 6. And the remainder is 4, 4, and 9, 2, and 4. Since I've got the answer up till 4 decimal places, that means 3.7416. If I'll round it off, this number, digit at the 4th place after decimal, that is greater than 5. That means I can round it off. After rounding off, I will be adding 1 to this. So it will become 3.742. That means square root of 14 is 3.742 up till 3 decimal places. Now we still need to find the square root of under root 3 here. Now square root of under root 3, this will be, again 3 will be written, and I need to find the square root of 3 up till 4 decimal places. So the same rule will be there. I'll be writing zeros in 4 pairs here. Nearest to this will be 1. So I'll be writing 1 here, and then 2. This number is multiplied by 2. 0, zeros. Now zeros are taken down. That is after decimal. I'll put decimal here. Number is multiplied by 7. Okay, this will become 189. Okay, students, most of the times you must have remembered that values of square root of 3 and square root of 2, these will be used later as well. Now multiplied by 2, I will get 4 here. 1 is added here. This is 4, and let's try with, okay, this is 1, and again 1, and both the zeros. Okay, now we'll see this number can be multiplied by 3 here. What I will get now? This is 1029. Fine. Now this will be 1, 7. Third pair of zeros is taken. This number is multiplied by 2. It will be 6, 4, 3. Okay, let's start. Let's see. I will multiply this with 2. I will get 6, 9, 2, 4. Okay, approximate. I will multiply this with 2 again. This will be 4, 6, 4, 3, and I will putting dash here. This will be 6, and then 9 here. This will be 7. Okay, 0 and 1, and both the zeros will be taken. when I try to find 3, 4, 6, 4. Okay, let's try this with 2 first. This will be 4, 8, 12 and 1, 9 and 6. So even this number is greater. Okay, we can see if I have to find, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. And when I multiply, this is also 5 digit number, but here this is 69,284 and this is 17,600. That means even with 1, if I'll try to multiply this number with 1 also, I will get 34,641. The number is greater than this. So what I will do, I will take one more pair of zeros and taken them down. So this is how we will multiply and put 0 here also. So this is how we'll get the approximate number of under root 3 here. That is approximate value of under root 3 as far as correct up till 3 decimal places of decimals. Okay, under root 3 is 1.732. Under root 14, which we've got, that was 3.742 approximate. I need to find the value of under root 14 by 3. That means I will be putting the value of under root 14 divided by under root 13. This is 3.742 divided by 1.732. After dividing, I get the approximate value, which is coming out to be is 2.160. And these are approximate values. These are not exact values. Okay, now students, one more type is there. Let us discuss that question. What is the fraction which when multiplied by itself gives 0.1764? We don't know the fraction here. So let the fraction be x. Now fraction, according to the condition, fraction is to be multiplied by itself so that the result is 0.1764. That is x square, 0.1764. X will be equal to square root of 0.1764. And when you try to find the square root of this number, that is 0.1764. According to the rule, after decimal, I'll start pairing the digits from left hand side. Okay, so because decimal is already there, I will start this with decimal. 4 4s are. This will be 16 here. 164. This number is multiplied by 2. 8. When I multiply by 2, I will get 164. That means square root of 0.1764 is coming out to be 0.42. So the fraction is 42 upon 100. And when you cancel it out, it will come out to be 21 upon 50 is the fraction. Now students, this was the last topic from squares and square roots. Kindly try all the questions related to this exercise. Thank you.